The Mahindra XUV700 2025 model continues to set benchmarks in the SUV segment with its combination of cutting-edge technology, robust performance, and premium design. This flagship SUV boasts a striking exterior characterized by a bold aerodynamic profile featuring a refreshed front grille with chrome detailings, sleek LED headlamps with dynamic turn indicators, and aggressive DRLs that enhance its road presence. The redesigned alloy wheels and roof rails add a sporty flair, while the overall stance exudes confidence and sophistication. The panoramic sunroof, one of the largest in its segment, ensures an open, airy feel, perfect for long journeys. Under the hood, the XUV700 2025 offers a choice between powerful engines tailored for performance and efficiency. The petrol variant features a 2.0-liter turbocharged M-Stallion engine delivering 200 horsepower, while the diesel variant includes a 2.2-liter M-Hawk engine, available in multiple tuning options, with outputs ranging from 155 to 185 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and responsive drive. The all-wheel drive option caters to adventure enthusiasts, making it capable on diverse terrains. The interior of the XUV700 2025 is a showcase of luxury and advanced technology. The spacious cabin is upholstered in premium materials, offering excellent comfort for all occupants. The dual 10.25-inch digital screens, a fully digital instrument cluster, and an advanced infotainment system take center stage on the dashboard. These screens come equipped with Adreno X technology, providing seamless connectivity, voice commands, and access to an array of apps. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, along with a robust sound system by Sony, enhance the entertainment experience. Safety has been prioritized in the XUV700 2025 with a comprehensive suite of advanced features. It includes 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and a 360-degree camera for improved visibility during parking. The SUV also incorporates Level 2 Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADS, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and autonomous emergency braking. These features ensure peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Comfort and convenience are further elevated with features like ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, ambient lighting, and a powered tailgate. The rear seats offer ample legroom and the boot space is expandable, making it ideal for family trips. A connected car suite allows remote engine start and stop, geofencing, and vehicle health monitoring via a smartphone app, enhancing user convenience. The Mahindra XUV700 2025 sets new standards for affordability and innovation in its segment. It strikes a balance between rugged capability and refined luxury, appealing to a diverse range of buyers. Whether navigating urban streets or exploring off-road trails, this SUV delivers a versatile and engaging driving experience, making it a strong contender in its class. Its combination of performance, technology, and style ensures it remains a popular choice for Indian families and enthusiasts seeking value and cutting-edge features.